Are you ready to revolutionize the job search experience? This video is all about how to create a job search app and website. Hello viewers, welcome to iTechnolabs. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of creating your very own job search app and website like Indeed and Glassdoor. Step 1. Define your audience. Determine who will use your platform, such as recent graduates, professionals, or freelancers. Step 2. Research. Conduct thorough research by diving into existing job search platforms, analyzing user feedback, and identifying pain points to addressing your app and website. Step 3. Design the user interface. Design the user interface, ensuring it remains clean, simple, and easy to navigate, allowing users to search, filter, and apply for jobs seamlessly. Step 4. Develop robust backend functionality. Ensure smooth integration with job databases, resume parsing tools, and user authentication systems. Step 5. Test rigorously. Test rigorously to iron out any bugs or glitches in your app and website before launch. Step 6. Launch. Launch with a well-planned marketing strategy, leveraging social media, influencer partnerships, and targeted advertising to reach your audience and make a splash in the market. And there you have it. Ready to take the next step in revolutionizing the job market? Contact iTechnolabs, a leading website and app development company today, and let's create the perfect job search solution together. Thanks for watching.